Hello to another Paidwork tutorial. In this episode you will learn how to earn money by performing microtasks. The first step is to enter the Earn tab on the left. Then, from the available earning methods, select the microtasks option and click the Earn button. We are shown information about how much we can earn for each correctly completed task. To unlock some tasks, you must complete a given course to gain access to the tasks. The more courses you complete, the more tasks will be available to complete. We go to the Tasks option and after clicking, available tasks to be performed appear. We are shown information about available tasks, such as the degree of difficulty, the expected time of task completion and the amount that will be transferred to our account after the task is successfully completed. We select any task from the available ones and click on it. Then, we are presented with detailed step-by-step instructions on what to do to properly perform the selected tasks. Each step of the given instructions must be fulfilled in the submitted task, otherwise the task may be considered inconsistent with the instructions and rejected. If after the first attempt to send the verification task it was rejected, do not worry. You may revise the assignment to make it more consistent with the assignment instructions and resubmit it to us for verification. As soon as our team verifies it as correctly completed, the amount for a given task will be automatically added to your Paidwork account. Remember that the sentences you submit must be in the appropriate format specified in the task instructions, must be able to be opened by our team for verification and, if indicated in the instructions, appropriate attachments must be attached. By entering the Courses tab, the available fields in which we can perform courses are shown. Thanks to a large selection of fields, each person can choose the appropriate course topics for themselves. After clicking on the topic appropriate for the user, the course categories appear, including what you can still learn, what has already been completed and what courses you have not completed correctly. Remember, the more courses you complete, the more tasks you have unlocked. Other tutorials on our channel.